What's up, guys? I am out tonight. I am actually testing out the new headlights I just got in. I haven't put them in yet, but I did want to do a quick comparison for you guys. So really quick, these are the headlights that I got. They're from Diode Dynamics. They're brand new. I actually pre-ordered them. So these are the headlights, or the bulbs rather. So they are LED. There's one LED on that side and one LED on that side. They're a really simple design. Have a little ballast piece right here, and then a converter or plug-in, plug-in, and it's a factory plug-in, really simple. I actually checked already on my truck and it plugs directly in, so no problems there. I'm gonna try to make this quick. These are the stock headlights I have right now. I'm doing this in my driveway. I've also tried to put the camera settings to what it seems like in real life. Good amount of light, nothing insane or anything. These are the stock incandescent bulbs, so that's why they are a little yellowish, as you see there. I will say trying to see far away with this headlight is a little bit troublesome. As you can see there, most of the light is in the center. Alright guys, so they are installed. Here are the new LEDs. Definitely brighter. I did have to change one thing on my camera though. I did change the white balance. It was not giving the correct color of the light. Still isn't. It's definitely more of a bluish tint. Definitely not pure white, but it definitely is a pure white. If you've ever had LEDs, you do understand that pure white is not pure white. It's a little bluish. All right, and here are the new LEDs. Definitely a better color on the headlights themselves, and for the light, definitely a lot brighter than the stock ones. Hopefully you'll be able to see this on camera. Again, I didn't change any of the brightness settings on the camera, just the white balance a little bit to get it closer, so that way it is a perfect or close to perfect comparison.